Hi guys, today I'm going to show you guys my project. So let's start off with the models.py, and this is where I created the user models for the project, and then a chores list, and then individual chores. So this is a chores task manager for if you're living in an apartment or if you have like a large family, to keep track of all the different tasks that you would need to do. This is going to be my serializers, and then these are my URLs and the URL paths for each of the chores and the details, and then the users and then the user details. And then here are the views for each different path. And then also I put in the request methods so then we can parse it into JSON in Insomnia very easily. This project was pretty fun to make. I feel like I learned a lot about backend and how that works. Here I'm showing you guys how I use Insomnia to make HTTP requests. We can create a new user, and here I'm showing you guys that the users show up in PJ admin, and then I'm going to be adding a new user, and then we can also get all users through an HTTP request, and we can see that it shows up. And then if we refresh it in PG admin and view all the and view the whole table, then we see our new user appear. Through this app, we can also delete certain users. Here's me deleting a user, and then it will say user not found. But if we go to getting all users, then we can see that the user does not show up anymore. And the same thing is true when we refresh PG admin. And the hardest thing with this project that I think I struggled the most on was learning how to use the serializers, and also I ran into a lot of bugs because there was a lot of things that I needed to import, a lot of modules, and a lot of different packages that I needed to install for this. So sometimes I would get errors like oh, you can't find this library, or this does not exist, and I would have to Google the error or look into why that was the case. But overall, this was a really fun project to work on. For this, I used Python as the primary language, and then I also used Docker and Django to create the framework, and then PG admin and Postgres SQL.